Looking to upgrade your GMC Canyon with the perfect set of running boards? Whether you're after rugged style, easier access, or extra protection, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the best running boards that combine form, function, and durability for your Canyon. Let's hit the road and find the perfect fit. Coming in at number 5, we have the AutoBull running boards, designed specifically for the 2015-20 GMC Canyon Crew Cab. These side steps strike a great balance between function and style. Crafted from high-quality rust-resistant aluminum and finished with durable black powder coating to withstand tough weather and daily wear. The standout honeycomb anti-slip design not only adds a modern, aggressive look but also provides reliable traction for safe entry and exit. With ABS plastic corner covers for added edge protection and a generous stepping area, these boards are especially helpful for those who need a little extra support getting in and out of the truck. Easy to install, and built to shield your Canyon's sides from scratches and dings. The AutoBull running boards are a solid, good-looking upgrade that delivers both convenience and durability. At number 4, we have the Kenova running boards, a sharp and functional upgrade for your 2015-2020 GMC Canyon New Cab with 4 full-size doors. These boards combine rugged performance with eye-catching style, featuring a black powder-coated finish with a subtle glitter effect for added flair and corrosion resistance. The 6-inch wide anti-slip plastic steps offer a solid and secure footing, making it easier and safer to get in and out of your truck. Built tough to support up to 500 pounds per bar, they're not only strong but also smartly designed with a patented slider system, allowing you to adjust the position forward or backward for a customized fit. Installation is a breeze with a direct bolt-on design and no drilling required. With UV resistance, great durability, and a surprisingly reasonable price, the COMNOVA running boards offer standout value and a clean, aggressive look that enhances your Canyon's profile. At number 3, we've got the Odoro running boards, built tough and bold for the 2015-25 GMC Canyon Crew Cab. These heavy-duty step bars feature an exclusive patented design that not only adds an aggressive edge to your truck's appearance, but also offers a convenient and sturdy stepping platform rated up to 550 pounds. Constructed from thick steel pipes and finished with a durable powder coating, they provide serious protection against rust, dirt, and water while making entry and exit easier than ever. Installation is mostly hassle-free thanks to the bolt-on design. No drilling or cutting required for most models, though some minor trimming may be needed on 2017 and newer trucks with a DEF tank cover. Users love the solid build, sleek fit, and how these boards instantly elevate the profile of the Canyon. If you're looking for rugged looks and real durability, the OEDRO running boards are a standout choice. At number 2, the YITAMOTOR running boards deliver a sleek, dependable upgrade for your 2015-2025 GMC Canyon Crew Cab with 4 full-size doors. Built with a durable one-piece stainless steel structure, and finished with rust-resistant powder coating, these boards are designed to hold up through years of use while maintaining their bold, clean look. Each board features a 6.5-inch wide, non-slip injection step pad that offers reliable traction whether you're stepping in, stepping out, or even hopping up with ease, supporting up to 450 pounds per side. Installation is a breeze with a true bolt-on design, no drilling required, and all factory holes line up perfectly, making setup quick and simple. Whether you're after everyday function, or just want to enhance your Canyon side profile, the YITAMOTOR running boards are a strong, stylish, and reasonably priced addition that gets the job done right. And finally, taking the number 1 spot are the Tyger Auto running boards, the perfect blend of subtle styling, everyday functionality, and rugged durability for your 2015-2020 GMC Canyon Crew Cab. These factory-style 4-inch wide steps are designed to seamlessly complement your truck's original look, while offering dependable support for daily driving, weekend adventures, and everything in between. Built from heavy-duty triangle mild steel tubing, and finished with a matted black E-coating, they provide excellent rust and corrosion resistance, while the UV-resistant non-slip step pads ensure secure footing in all conditions. With a weight capacity of 500 pounds and a super simple bolt-on installation that can be done in just 20 minutes. No drilling required. These boards are as user-friendly as they are tough. Backed by great reviews for their fit, finish, and unbeatable value, the Tyger Auto running boards are a smart, stylish, and reliable upgrade that truly deserves the top spot.